Free time activities. Hi, Nina. What do you usually do in your free time?
Hi, Sophia. I like reading books and listening to music. How about you?
I enjoy watching movies and cooking at home.
That sounds fun. What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and romantic movies. And you?
I prefer action movies, but I also like cartoons.
Do you do any outdoor activities?
Yes, I do. I go jogging in the park on weekends.
That's great. I sometimes ride my bike in the afternoon.
Nice. Maybe we can do that together sometime.
Sure, I'd love that.
Me too.